Studies show that books in the home really increase literacy skills, literacy development. Even 1 or 2 books in a home show a dramatic increase in that sense of identity and those literacy skills. So the Comprehensive Literacy State Development Grant is a federal grant. It supports literacy instruction birth through grade 12. We think of literacy as really only existing in English language arts classrooms, but it doesn't, right? Literacy is in every single content area and every single classroom. Now, Universal Design for Learning is a pedagogical approach that asks our educators and schools to look at education in a slightly different way. It's really increased engagement, it's really increased motivation.
So this is our 2nd year that we've had the grant in Biggs Unified School District. I think it has done a fantastic job in pulling those teachers together. The reality is whatever career you go into, you can't read and write, you can't be successful. And no matter what the subject matter is, being able to read, understand what you read, and communicate with people is the number one value to be successful in anything. So I think it's the most powerful thing we've done as a school district.
Today's event was about making Biggs a literacy-rich environment. We did that by passing out 200 book bags with gift certificates and water bottles and book lights. I'm hoping first that it promotes reading, but perhaps more importantly, that this is a way for students to connect with families. We also had bookmarks that had conversation starters so that families can talk about the books that their kids are reading. Literacy is one of the major factors that can promote post-secondary outcomes. In other words, if you are able to learn through reading and enjoy reading, that's going to increase your chances at success beyond school.
What I really want to underscore is this team's passion for their communities and for their students. You can see it in everything that they do and just see how dedicated they are. Books are windows and mirrors and sliding glass doors, right? So thinking about books in the sense that it allows students to see other perspectives, other experiences, other lives. It allows students to see themselves, their own experiences and perspectives reflected, really kind of validating things that they might be going through. And it just really provides an opportunity to step out, right? To go out into the world armed with these perspectives, this knowledge, this passion for life that I really think that books help ignite.